Alright, this is another bike check, because it's snowing outside, and I can't go outside and ride. I can't see it better. I'm in shorts. It's cold. Here's my car. I haven't started it in like 3 months. There's Miss Wallace. Manual pad sucks. But anyway, I got new handlebars. See them? Sunday. They're really good. I like them. On the review I read out about them or whatever, they're ugly bars, but they feel real nice. I got the same Hoffman grips, but they're purple. And I also put my brakes back on. I got an Animal linear cable or something like that. I don't know. Same bike, same rim, same pedals, same tire. I need to tighten my spokes too. Really loose, you can hear them wobbling or whatever. Yeah, that's what it looks like now. There's that Vinnie dude. There's the Sunday logo. I got a Sunday sticker too, but I don't know where I'm gonna put it. So that's my bike now, with brakes on and new handlebars.